A premarital agreement protects what you bring into the marriage, what you build during the marriage, and what you intend to leave to the people that depend on you. Whether or not it does the job depends on how it is built. At Anderson Boback Marshall, we work with people on both sides of that. Here is what a prenup can protect and what makes it enforceable. A prenup makes sense in a number of situations. If you own a business, it protects the business. If you have significant premarital assets, retirement, or property, it defines what stays separate. If your compensation includes bonuses, equity, or stock options, it addresses how those are treated. If you are entering a second marriage with children from a prior relationship, it protects what you intend to leave to them. A prenup is not a sign of doubt about a marriage. It is clarity going into one. Illinois law gives prenups a broad scope. A prenup can address property division, debt allocation, spousal support, business interests, executive compensation and equity, and how premarital assets stay protected. There are limits. A prenup cannot decide child custody or child support. Those belong to the court at the time of divorce based on the best interests of the children. Anything that violates public policy will not be enforced. Within those limits, a prenup lets a couple make decisions about their financial life together before they are under the pressure of a divorce. What makes a prenup enforceable is how it is drafted. 3 things matter the most. A prenup signed weeks before the wedding is better than one that is signed just days before. Time removes pressure, and the removal of that pressure is what can make the agreement more enforceable. Independent counsel. Each person should have their own attorney and not the same attorney representing them in the negotiating of the prenuptial agreement. Full disclosure. Both parties make a full disclosure of their assets, liabilities, and income at the time that the prenuptial agreement is drafted. Full disclosure is the foundation of the agreement and what can ensure that it will be enforceable years later. For people entering a second marriage, a prenup carries particular weight. You may have children from a prior relationship whose financial future depends on what you protect now. You may have assets from before this marriage that you want to keep separate. You may have specific intentions about inheritance, family property, or a home that was yours prior to the wedding. A prenup gives you the framework to honor all of that without leaving it to chance. If you are thinking about a prenuptial agreement, the best thing that you can do is start the conversation early and work with attorneys who regularly practice in this area. At Anderson Boback Marshall, we are ready to assist if you need a prenuptial agreement.